You're listening to the E-Commerce Minute, your daily dose of e-commerce, tech, and retail news with your hosts, Bart Mraz and John Suter. The show is a production of Sumo Heavy, a digital commerce consulting firm located in Brooklyn, New York, and Philadelphia. Find us on the web at sumoheavy.com. This episode of the E-Commerce Minute is brought to you by Frameology. Frameology is simple, beautiful framing for the photos you love. Pick a frame, upload a photo, done. Free shipping on orders over $50. Start shopping at Frameology.com. And E-Commerce Minute podcast listeners get 10% off at checkout with the code PODCAST. Frameology. Simple, beautiful framing for the photos you love.
This is the E-Commerce Minute for December 21st, 2017. Under Armour drone delivers free Steph Curry sneakers to fans.
Under Armour announced last week via their Instagram feed that they would be giving away 30 pairs of NBA Golden State Warriors star Steph Curry autographed shoes around the San Francisco Bay Area on Saturday, December 16th. The event was called the Curry Drone Drop, meaning the shoes would be delivered via drone. For fans to get the shoes, they had to participate in a digital scavenger hunt by checking an interactive map on Under Armour's Instagram feed to find out where the drone sites were. When you find a drop zone pin on that map, you'd get a QR code that would lead you to a drop zone where the drone delivery happens. Throughout the day Saturday, Under Armour used the drones to drop the Steph Curry autographed pairs of the brand new More Dubs version of the Curry 4 sneakers. Fans outside the Bay Area were also eligible to win by finding hidden prize markers scattered throughout the digital map. By finding them, they were then eligible to enter a sweepstakes, sneakers via drone.
Good promotion. Under Armour definitely needs it. Imagine getting hit with a sneaker. Who throws a shoe?
I'm not into sneakers. I was more interested in getting Curry delivered by drone, but that's just me.
Curry delivered by drone.
It's Curry drone drop. I was like, okay.
Oh wait, the wrong Curry, my friend. Wrong Curry.
So there was a lot of hype. I'm just talking from a news angle. There was a lot of hype preceding this because of an interesting story, but I only found one actual video of this on a San Francisco news site, KTVU, which is on our website, ecommerceminute.co. If you click on the link, they couldn't embed it, but there's a video of it. It sounds a lot better than it actually was. I don't know if you've watched the video. There's like a ship out in the bay, and it sends the drone. But these drones drops. It's not like you're walking down the street and a pair of shoes would fall out of the sky. They have these like barriers set up, and there's like a target, and I don't know. It wasn't as random as it sounds.
Oh, so you mean was it like a very, very much of a failure of a promotion?
Very, very controlled. Like the drone drops were like, these targets with barriers around them. And the people that got the sneakers were happy because if you're a sneakerhead, that this is a great thing. But
so basically lawyers got involved.
The lawyers
insurance are like, yeah, we're going to
all the joy out of the promotion.
Yeah. Once again, who throws a shoe?
I'm just thinking back to the old TV show where it's like the guy they deliver the turkeys via the sky from the sky on Thanksgiving, but they're live turkeys. Who knew the turkeys couldn't fly?
Yeah, I would say we're gonna go for I didn't even hear about this till you told me, which is really funny because we one of our clients has that.
You know me, I'm always about the drone stories. But I saw this, I thought, okay, this has got to be pretty cool. There was not one video or blog post. I don't know what was going on. I don't know if it's just because the sneakerheads, blogged about it, and then that was it. But there was no hype. There was no post hype. There was only one video that I could find.
Oh well.
And like you said, Under Armour needs it. They're not doing so great. So I don't know.
Well, there it is.
Well, they got the buzz, and I think that's they got out what they set to do. But the end of story. I hope you all enjoy your Curry sneakers.
End of story.
Curry sneakers. All right. Anything else?
Hey, it's the shortest day of the year, by the way.
I'm already over winter. When does winter start? Tomorrow?
Yes. Today.
Today.
Okay. As in the
That's-
start of the day.
It's all uphill from here, or downhill.
Anyway.
I'm just tired of being cold. All right, that's your e-commerce minute for today. We'll see you on the internet tomorrow. That's it for today's show. If you like the show, subscribe to E-Commerce Minute anywhere podcasts are available. You can also read the show notes and listen to previous episodes at ecommerceminute.co. And finally, if you've got feedback or suggestions for the show, reach out to us on social media at Sumo Heavy.
The podcast you just heard was recorded with Anchor. If you want to make your own, download the Android or iOS app completely free from anchor.fm/podcast. That's anchor.fm/podcast.